Hey guys, PureSolidness here again, and today I will be doing an unboxing for a watch I just got. It is the Casio G-Shock. The model number is 6900A-7. It retails on the Casio website for around $130, but I got it a bit cheaper at another online retailer. So the quick tour around the box, it's just your black semi-gloss finish all around, and on the bottom, aside from the model number, you just have your SKU as well as some Asian writing. Onto the unboxing, it's just a sleeve you slide off. Got the same label, pull off the lid, and you have your white Tough Solar G-Shock watch. Take it out of the bag. There you go. We'll get into this in greater detail in a second. In the box, there's a flap you open, and have your warranty card, and looks like some instructions what to do if your watch stops or does not operate normally. And you have your user guide. It's pretty thick, probably because there's lots of languages in here. And that's it in the box. So here's a closer look at the watch. It's really nice. It's a bright white color on black, and the watch band is a matte finish. As you can see, it's not glossy. And you have a tag over here that just shows some features. So on the watch face itself, the entire black surface surrounding the time and the three circles is your solar cell, which charges the battery, and apparently, I think after 5 minutes in bright sunlight, the battery's charged for about 8 to 10 months. On the side, you just got your aluminum buttons, and this mode button over here changes what's displayed. You got your world time, alarm, stopwatch, countdown timer, and your current time. So the three circles on the top are a bit different than your conventional G-Shock watch, in that the first one is actually your battery level indicator. As you can see, this one is on high charge right now. The second circle is what functions you have activated, like mute or alarm. And the third one is just your seconds indicator. And I will show you the back just to show you that this one is a legit G-Shock watch. There you go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of the white Casio Tough Solar G-Shock watch. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, see you later.